Huh? Oh, hi. Didn't see you there. Hey, hi, hello, welcome and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Portia. All my friends call me Porsh, so you could call me Porsh too. I dyed my hair. This is the first time I've ever did anything like this, so it's a little new for me. I've never dyed my hair before, so I am super excited. It came out amazing. I love the color. It's like a coppery type of fall. It's just giving me fall. It's giving me fall. It's giving me like cuffing, cuddle, loving season, even though I ain't got no man. So long story short, I'm not gonna be in front of you guys long. So I went to the Ulta Salon in the West Loop in Chicago, and my girls Erica and Robyn hooked me up. So I have a few clips of that as well. I didn't really vlog that much when I was getting my hair done because I wasn't entirely sure, and by the time I was done I realized I could have vlogged because they were like, oh yeah girl, you totally could have, and I'm like, oh, but they were kind of busy, so like, I don't know, I didn't really want to be like all up in the space. Now as far as the color goes, I really wish I was able to tell you guys the color and all of that stuff, but I don't know. I do not know. So my best guess would be to tell them to do like a copper brown, like a copper or like a reddish brown, something in the red family, because I'm more red than anything. And then you can also go to my Instagram. I'm going to have a picture on my Instagram as well, so make sure you follow me on Instagram. You can always go to your stylist and give them a reference picture of what my hair looks like, because that's pretty much all I did. I had a Pinterest board saved on my phone of all of like the ideas or ombres or balayages that I wanted or that I had in mind for my particular hairstyle. Pretty much what I did, I showed them a whole bunch of pictures on Pinterest as references of what I was kind of going for, and then from there we decided that we wanted to go a little bit darker because it is fall going into winter, and then as the time goes, you know, also that way if I'm darker I wouldn't be in so much of a culture shock when I see my hair, and then I can lighten it as I go. And also because I have virgin hair, this is the first time that I've ever dyed my hair ever. They just wanted to take it really slow, really easy, nothing like too intense. I got my hair professionally done. You guys, I do not recommend doing your hair on your own unless you just know for a fact, okay? You just know for a fact that you can do it on your own, then by all means go ahead, do that. But I know that I can't do it on my own. I very much would rather pay a professional than to jack my hair up. And I know a lot of people are like, well, stylists jack your hair up too. Yes, they do, and that's another thing. That's kind of one of the reasons why I never really dyed my hair. I was so afraid to dye my hair. I've always chickened out. I didn't know how it would look on my hair. I didn't know if I would get sick of it. I wasn't sure if, like, you know, something would happen. And then when I went on my natural hair journey, I kept hearing all the horror stories about with people dyeing their hair and then their texture of their hair changes, and it's just nothing ever goes the same, and it's just awful, and then they have to do a big chop, and then everything just goes haywire, and then they pretty much have to start their natural hair journey over again. And I, for one, did not want to do that. It took me a long time to get my hair to the, you know, where it is now. So I did not want to mess anything up. So when I tell you I trusted these women, I trusted these women. So I'll give you guys a little bit of a backstory. So I was somewhat familiar with I was somewhat familiar with my stylist before I went to her. She's not my full-on stylist. Now she is, but before she wasn't. I didn't have a stylist. I didn't really go get my hair done, mainly because I didn't really like getting my hair done unless it had something to do with my straight hair. The only time I would really go to a salon was when I would want to get a silk press and a blowout. In the summer, I would wear my hair curly, so there was no need to go to a salon. I don't trust the curly hair salon. No shade, no tea to any of the diva curl salons or anything like that. I just didn't trust them. I didn't trust anybody, truthfully, with my hair. And I know straightening my hair, manipulating my hair, for the most part, is pretty simple. So I decided, and this time I didn't go in blindly. I did a little investigating, and I was like, okay, well, let me just try and find some pictures on Instagram to see if anybody has posted about any of the stylists on Instagram. So I looked, and I saw this name that kept like popping up anytime I would search her name, and it was like Erica. And I was just like, okay. I was like, who's this Erica? And a lot of the pictures that were on the page were black hair. Like a lot of pictures of someone doing black hair. And like perms, dyes, silk press, all of those. So I was just like, okay. I was like, this Erica girl, she must be legit. So I was like, all right. So when I booked my appointment with Erica, not realizing or knowing that that was actually the same person that my friend Vicky was interning under. And I didn't realize that until I got there and I saw her face, because I'm terrible with names, but I will remember your face. I will remember your faces, but I don't remember anything else. I might not know your name, but I'll remember your face. So yeah, we were catching up, and she laid my hair for my silk press, you guys. She laid it down. So as Erica was doing my silk press, I was kind of talking to her and picking her brain about how I would go about dyeing my hair, or what she thought about dyeing my hair. Was my hair in a good enough condition? Is it healthy enough? You know, what we would be thinking. What really put me at ease and made me calm and realize that I could actually trust her is the fact that she gave me information about what would be happening if I dyed my hair, and what I can do to achieve what I actually want, and what I shouldn't do so I don't mess up my hair. That is what really put me at ease, and I was just like, you know what? All right, I'm gonna do it. If a stylist gives you information about how you can achieve something that you're doing without damaging your hair, or how you can do it with the least, least damaging your hair, then that is someone that knows what they're doing. Anybody that's just going to be a yes man to you just so they can get their coins up, no. Like, oh yeah, totally, for sure, you could totally do that. Like, we could totally do that. We could give you whatever you want. Somebody that's going to be like, yeah, you could get this, but this is how I will go about it, or this is what I think you should do in order to achieve that look. Or if someone flat out and tells you, no, I don't think your hair is in the proper condition to do that, trust them, because they went to school, they know what they're talking about. I mean, most of them do anyway, because we all know that C's and D's get degrees too. So yeah, that is pretty much it. I'm going to show you guys the vlog footage that I do have So yeah, and I will leave all the information about the salon down below. Hi guys, welcome back to another vlog. You see my hair is in a hat, or I'm wearing a hat, because I'm about to go get my hair dyed for the very first time, and I am absolutely terrified. I am going to the Ulta Salon, and I've never dyed my hair before, and my stylist, she's super dope. I don't know if she has an Instagram or anything, but I'll let you know if she does. She works at the Ulta Salon, so that is where I'm going right now. She does all my blow-ups and stuff, so yeah. Hopefully they're okay with me recording. So I'm super nervous, you guys. I've never like dyed my hair or anything like that before, so I'm freaking out. Finishing up with some people. Guys, do you see my hair? How crazy I look right now? So I'm freaking out, you guys. I'm freaking out. I'm legit freaking out. It hasn't hit me until like just now. I guess we'll be back, or I will be back, once, you know, things get going. Hopefully I'm able to vlog for you guys. And yeah, sorry if my mask is like super wrinkled. I just washed it, so yeah. Okay. Guys, so I am officially done with my hair a few hours later. What do you think? How's it look? Do you guys like it? Leave a comment down below. I personally love it. It still has its bounce. It's still silky and shiny, which is what I was hoping for. So, yeah. Whoop. This way, I guess. I'm about to FaceTime my best friend and see what she says. Okay, so none of my friends are answering. I don't understand why. I'm gonna try calling one more person. I'm in the car now, so I can take my mask off. But what do you think, guys? Hopefully he answers. None of my friends are picking up the phone. It's the fact that all my friends hate me for me. All my friends hate me. So, no reactions from them. I guess I'll get a reaction from my mom, so let's go home. All right, so I just got home. Well, technically I just got home. But I'm waiting for my mom and to come to the car so I can get her reaction. So we're gonna see what she thinks of my hair. She might be a little nervous because I was super coy on the phone. Like, I was just like, hey, yeah, I'm done. Like, just like, And she's like, well, what's wrong? What's wrong? And I was like, nothing's wrong or whatever. So hopefully that kind of threw her off, and maybe she thinks I'm disappointed with it. But hopefully she actually gets to see the color, what it actually looks like.
These guys been acting crazy. They've been like dragging. Oh wow, she got color. Oh,
Do you like it?
Is it like a reddish?
It's like copper, kind of like.
It looks like a wig.
Oh, okay.
Do you like it?
Yeah, I like it.
I can't see it that good. There's kind of a shadow, but okay.
Okay, I just wanted to get your reaction. I got you on camera.
Why did you do that to me?
Erica and Robyn is who I had my appointment with. I wish I would have asked them a little bit more questions as far as what they were doing, but honestly, I was just chilling. I was just like, you know what? I trust y'all wholeheartedly. Like, do your thing. I literally told her, I was like, do your thing. This is the picture, what I'm thinking. And she was like, okay, I think we're gonna go a little bit darker. This might work for you, blah, blah, blah. And I'm like, bet, let's go. So, and this is the outcome. And I still feel like the integrity of my hair is still there. It's still long, it's still soft, it's still silky. It has giving you body, girl, giving you body, okay? Like, look, all of the body, all of the dimensions. All right, you guys. So that is pretty much it for this video. That is all I want to go over. For the most part, let me like get closer to the camera so you guys can kind of see. So this is my hair. This is the color. It's like a brownish red, like a balayage and highlights. So as you can see, like I still have my roots, like my roots are still there. But it kind of starts like, some of it goes like all the way to the root, and then some of it just like stays. And then most of my hair is like underneath is still like dark, as you can see. So, yeah, that is pretty much it. That is the end of this video. So I hope you guys liked it. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe down below. I don't have anything else to say, so thank you guys so much for watching, and until next time, bye guys.